Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a payment method in Hostinger. The first thing I want you to do is log into your Hostinger dashboard, and once you are logged in here on the left hand panel, you will see billing. I want you to go ahead and click on billing, and then you'll get this drop down. And here I want you to click on payment methods. And once you click on that, you will be redirected here. As you can see, I have one active payment method. This is my Visa credit card. Now, if you want to add another payment method, just click here on add payment method, and you'll see four options. So here, as you can see, we have card, and these are the cards accepted: Visa, Discover, American Express, and MasterCard. We just need your name, card number, expiration date, and a CVC code. Then you can add the card. And for PayPal, Google Pay, and Apple Pay, you just have to click here and log in to any of these accounts and you will be connected. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.